Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Let's see some beautiful crochet flower vase designs model. A crochet flower vase design is a decorative cover or fully handmade vase created using crochet techniques and yarn. It is used to hold artificial flowers, giant flowers, or sometimes a glass jar inside to safely hold real flowers. It adds a soft, cozy handmade charm, perfect for visitors from house, cottage-core, or shopping taker. Types of crochet flower vase designs. Vase cover, most popular. You crochet a sleeve or cover. Slide it over a glass jar, bottle, or tin can. Great for recycling old jars. Safe for real flowers because water stays inside the jar. Perfect for farmhouse kitchen counters or cottage-style shelves. Freestanding crochet vase, crocheted with thick yarn or rope, made stiff using fabric stiffener or glue mixer. Best for giant flowers or artificial flowers, decorative only, not waterproof. Crochet flower pot style, designed like a small pot, often used with crochet flowers, cute for table centerpiece. Here are more detailed and creative tips to make your crochet flower vase extra beautiful and unique. Choose the right yarn for the style. For vintage or grandma style, use cotton yarn. Colors, use cream, soft beige, dusty rose, faded lavender, child lace or shell stitches. Also use jute twine or thick cotton. Colors, natural brown, oatmeal and shades green. Simple stitches like single crochet look best. Add texture for a rich look. Texture makes it look handmade and special. Use puff stitch for a raised floral feel. Bubble stitch for a cute cottage charm. Ribbed stitch for a cozy farmhouse look. Shell stitch for an antique lace vibe. Texture looks beautiful on wooden shelves and kitchen counters. Always use a base inside. Very important tip. Instead of making the vase hold water directly, put a glass jar inside. Use an old jam jar. Use a tin can. Wrap with crochet cover. This keeps your crochet safe from water damage. Decorate the vase for extra charm. You can add small crochet roses, tiny bows, wooden patterns, lace ribbon, twine wrapped around the top. For farmhouse style, keep decoration simple and neutral. Make different sizes. Create a small set, small vase for bedside table, medium vase for kitchen counter, tall slim vase for shelf styling. A set of three looks very elegant and balanced. Style it beautifully in your home. Place your crochet vase on a wooden tray with a candle, beside antique cookbooks, on open kitchen shelves, on dining table as a centerpiece, near a window with natural light. It pairs beautifully with crochet toilets and rustic decor. Use giant flowers for long-lasting beauty. Best flowers to use: giant lavender, baby spray, cotton stems, wheat stems, artificial peonies. This match farmhouse and cottage aesthetics perfectly. Stipend for a structured shape, optional. If you want a frame vase, mix white glue plus water 1:1 ratio. Brush lightly on the crochet, let dry completely. It helps the vase keep its shape. Play with shape, not just color. Don't only make straight cylinders. Try slightly Fluted top like a real ceramic vase. Narrow neck plus flat bottom. Also, you've used tall slim bottle style cover. Changing the shape instantly makes it look designer made. Use two-tone or ombre yarn instead of on color, cream plus dusty rose, beige plus soft shades green, white plus soft blue, natural brown plus ivory. You can change colors every few rows. Make only the top edge a different color. Add a contrast scalloped border. This adds soft farmhouse character without making it too basic. Add a decorative top edge. The top edge makes a big difference. Try picoted edges, tiny delicate loops, scalloped edge, ribbed folded brim, twist cord edging. For grandma style decor, lace edging looks especially beautiful. Use lining for a clean finish. For a more polished look, sew a simple cotton fabric lining inside. Use floral fabric for cottage core. Use plain linen for farmhouse style. It hides the chores and makes it look high quality. Use different yarn thickness for dimension. Instead of using only yarn weight, use thicker yarn for the base. Switch to thinner yarn for lace sections. Combine cotton plus jute for contrast. This creates beautiful depth and makes the vase look handmade and artistic. Add subtle embroidery details. After crocheting the vase, you can embroider tiny roses and small fringe knots like flower parts. Stitch delicate veins or leaves. This works beautifully for grandma style vintage decor. Create a panel design vase. Instead of on-to-painting pattern, divide the vase into sections. On panel, lace stitch. On panel, simple single crochet. Next on panel, bubble texture. This gives it a handmade bucket look. Add a weighted bottom to prevent tipping. Insert small pebbles inside the jar. Use a thicker crochet base. Add a cardboard circle at the bottom. This is especially beautiful for taller design. Mix with other crochet pages. For a cohesive look, match with crochet towels. Add a crochet coaster underneath. Pair with crochet tissue box cover. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!